Hi, I'm Luna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video from Quantum Tech Lab, I'll guide you how to find archived text messages on Android. Open the Google Messages app. This is the main place where you send, receive, and manage all your text conversations. Now look at the corner of the screen. Tap on your Google account profile picture or the three-dot menu icon depending on your version. When you tap it, a small menu will appear with several options related to your messages and account settings. Now see and tap on Archived. This section stores conversations that you've removed from your main inbox but didn't delete. Inside the archived folder, you'll see all the messages you previously archived. If you want to move a conversation back to your main inbox, simply tap and hold the chat, then select the Unarchive option. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Quantum Tech Lab.